What did we buy?
What did you buy?
Okay, but you're the one who said you should get it. It's a good deal.
That.
Because, we're not full enough already. Let's just add a full-size keyboard to the mix.
But. Once this gets all reconfigured and everything else, it's going to have a home there.
So this is a prelude to that we are going to do a complete reno of our dining room table.
We have to.
Our dinette.
We have to.
So stay tuned. We'll have a entirely different dinette that actually accommodates that and my puzzle addiction.
And a fireplace.
And a fireplace.
And 2 nice chairs.
Shush.
And a mechanical room.
Shush.
Shush. Shush.
So we are off to the Prince George Recreation Center. We are getting our membership for drop-in swimming and for weights. Are you excited, Curtis?
Yeah, should be fun. It's a nice facility.
It is a very nice facility. We'll see how it is to go swimming and lift weights. Woohoo! In the pool. No, not lifting weights. Well, if I lift my own body, that's lifting weight, let me tell you. Go see the puppy. You can do it. Come on, Laddie. Dad's gonna be so bad. Go see the puppy.
You can do it, honey. You can do it.
Oh, there's a table.
Yeah.
Hello, Curtis.
Hello, Debbie.
Oops. Hello, Luna. Hello, Huxley, who just looked. Oh, that's a good close view. So, Curtis, where are we going?
We're going back to 100 Mile, Taylor Lakes.
What for?
Self-storage, get rid of our winter stuff, grab some of our summer stuff, and grab my work truck. Some drawings from the office.
And how long is this going to take us?
A 4-hour drive there, 4-hour drive back.
So we're doing it in one day.
Of course.
Of course we are.
That's easy.
So, do you think there's going to be less snow, same amount of snow, more snow than what there was in Prince George?
Less snow.
I'm thinking so too. We're not going to want to drive back because we're going to be snow envious.
Yeah. Lack of snow envious?
Yeah. I hate winter.
Yeah.
And if you look, this time of the year is just so gray and dull and unexciting.
Yeah, a little different. When we lived up in Silver Star, you like snow, season passes, all that stuff, but now, yeah.
Yeah, I think the last day I snowboarded was the last day I liked winter.
Probably.
Yeah. Where are we, Curtis?
Very good place. It serves very good food. Where are we?
We're at McDonald's in Quesnel, Curtis's favorite.
Yeah.
Having a 5-star meal.
That's right. 5-star takeout.
5-star clown meal.
A clown meal.
Pretty
there you
much.
Go. Yeah, maybe so. Travel day.
Travel day.
McDonald day.
So we drove all the way to 100 Mile, went to our self-storage. Curtis went into the office at work, got a work truck, and then we left again and headed back to Prince George, and we're currently in Quesnel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day.
Yeah, it will be a long day.
Can you hear that? I asked Curtis to turn off the alarm. It is a robin outside our trailer. He's been singing the same lousy song for like 10 minutes. Non-stop.
So maybe you're wondering why we always film Huxley and not so much Luna. Luna likes to hide. She doesn't like winter, so she spends most of her time sleeping in our bedroom. And she's getting older, and with her disease that she has, she doesn't always have really great days. And so Luna is seldom in the picture. But she is a complete and utter joy to have, and she is such a sweet dog. I make her to slam on the brakes so I can take a picture of this gorgeous sunrise, or pardon me, sunset. It is sunset. And you'll see there's very, very little snow. It is melting. Woohoo! And it is muddy. Woo-hoo! But it is pretty.